Hey fellow coffee lovers! So I'm really excited because I got a free sample of this VitaCup Perfect Coffee. The company sent it to me so that way I can give you my honest review and hopefully help you make your informed decision on this. Now, if you're like me, you want to make these homemade lattes with our fancy espresso machine, you got to have good coffee to go with it. What caught my attention about this is that it has the antioxidants that our body needs in order to help with all the free radicals and all that stuff. But also it has a very nice low acidity. That's my favorite part because I want to have something that is not so bitter and it's gentle on the tummy. Because this is truly organic, it has a single origin, it's clean coffee, low acid, high altitude grown, sun-dried, slow roasted, no artificial ingredients, it's chemical free, mycotoxin free, pesticide free, and it's been third-party lab tested, which gives me that extra assurance that what I'm putting in my body is going to be okay. When you first open a bag of fresh coffee beans, it's nothing like it. It smells so fresh. These are dark roasted Arabica. It's perfect for making your homemade lattes. You can totally smell the aroma. It smells so fresh. It looks delicious. Yummy. Look at that. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Yeah, that's surprisingly good. That's really good. Yeah, I really like the taste. It's very smooth. Hints of cocoa and caramel. Yeah, that's really great. This is amazing. Get some for yourself. You won't regret it.